Hi guys, welcome to Learning TWI, the fun with TWI Junior Pro. My name is Kwesi, and for today we're going to answer comments. I was supposed to do this on Wednesday, but I couldn't because of work, so I'm actually going to do it today. So for those that actually sent their comments through, I'm actually going to respond to them now. I've already responded, but I'm going to voice them out. And for those that want to learn new things, well, you know what, just sit back, relax, and you learn a lot from what I was asked here. So let's start. The first one was from Isaiah. So Isaiah wanted to know what the difference between Wɔn and Ɔmo. In TWI, Wɔn and Ɔmo are actually interchangeable. So Wɔn means either them or they, and Ɔmo also means either them or they. So if I say they're coming, I'll either say Wɔn ba or Ɔmo ba. Or if I want to say they're going, I would say Wɔn ko or Ɔmo ko. So they're interchangeable. So it's one and the same thing. The other thing that he wanted to know was our problem. So he wanted to know how to say our problem. So our problem in TWI is yeng asɛm or yasem. So that's from Isaiah, right? So the next person is Nur. Sorry if I'm not pronouncing your name right, but Nur wanted to know, well, 5 things, right? The first thing that she wanted to know was what a verb is in TWI, right? A verb in TWI is Adeyɛ or Adeyɔ. The second thing that Nur wanted to know was a noun. A noun is Edin. Edin is a noun in TWI. Then pronoun is Edinnsiananmu, right? Then she wanted to know what an adjective is. Adjective is Edinnsiananmu. Edinnsiananmu. So the last thing she wanted to know was a teacher in TWI. A teacher in TWI is Ɔkyerɛkyerɛni or Tikya. So the next person is Afari. Afari, thanks again for all your comments. Afari wanted to know how to say I don't sleep early. I don't sleep early in TWI is Mennyɛɛ. Mennyɛɛ is I don't sleep early. Then the second one is I didn't sleep early. I didn't sleep early is Mennyɛɛ. Mennyɛɛ. The ma represents past. Mennyɛɛ, I didn't sleep, right? Then I don't sleep is Mennyɛɛ, right? Those are the two differences to represent I didn't and I don't, right? Then I haven't been here before. I haven't been here before is Memmaa or Memmaa. Memmaa or Memmaa, which is I haven't been here before. Then the next one is I haven't done this before. I haven't done this before in TWI is Mennyɛɛ or Mennyɛɛ. Mennyɛɛ or Mennyɛɛ. Then the next one is the plantain is ripe. Plantain in TWI is Borɔdeɛ, right? Ripe is abere. So the plantain is ripe is Borɔdeɛ no abere. As I said, Borɔdeɛ is plantain, abere is ripe. No is that specific plantain. So Borɔdeɛ no abere is the plantain is ripe. He also wanted to know what kɔkɔɔ is, right? So kɔkɔɔ in TWI is either the color red. Red is kɔkɔɔ in TWI, right? Or it's a ripe plantain. So we call ripe plantain the yellow one, right? Kɔkɔɔ, right? Or the color red. The next person is Jewel, right? So Jewel wanted to know how to say enjoy your food. But before we get into that, there are different ways of saying this, right? Enjoy in TWI itself, the word enjoy is jiwani, right? Now, you can't really say enjoy your food by saying jiwani because it's like literally having fun, enjoying yourself. So enjoy is jiwani. In order for you to say enjoy in relation to food, you'd say Didi. Didi is eat well. So if I'm eating and somebody wants to say enjoy your food, they'll be like Kwesi Didi, which is in English eat well, but in TWI that means enjoy your food, right? And one can say, for example, if I'm eating and somebody else is passing, then they look at what I'm eating and it looks as if I'm actually enjoying the food that I'm eating. They can say jiwani, but it's not jiwani as have fun or whatever. They're saying enjoy whatever I'm doing. So it could be me eating food, it could be me playing games, it could be me swimming, it could be me doing something that's nice, that's exciting, right? And anyone and everyone can say jiwani, which is enjoy that specific thing, right? So it's not literally meant for food. It's just literally say enjoy whatever you're doing, which is jiwani. But when it comes to food and you want to say somebody should enjoy the food they're eating, you would say Didi. The next thing Jules wanted to find out was to lie. To lie is ntorɔ or bowa, right? So if you come to me and you say Joseph or Kwesi, you're lying. You say Kwesi who ntorɔ or Kwesi wo bowa, which is I'm lying. So who ntorɔ or wo bowa is the same thing. They're all saying the other person is lying, right? Then he also wanted to find out what Tohuro was, right? So Tohuro is similar to lying, but not really. So basically, this term is commonly used when you know that somebody or you believe that whatever the person is saying is untrue or they're trying to lie to you. Then you'll be like, you know what, Tohuro. Or, you know what, it's like putting shame on them, but it's not really shame. So it's basically represents a situation where you know that the person you're talking to aren't being truthful. The other thing is, it's not my fault. So Jules wanted to know what it's not my fault is in Twi. Fault is fumsuo. Fumsuo is fault in Twi. So it's not my fault to be enyemi fumsuo. Enyemi fumsuo, which is it's not my fault. And the last thing that Jules wanted to know was the word use. So in Twi, we don't really have the word use, right? The best we have is fanaye, which is basically take and use, but it's not, we don't have the word use. It's fanaye, take and utilize. That's what is sent, what I just said means. Fanaye is take and utilize, right? So if, for an example, if you come to me and, well, you want water to drink, then you ask me for water, then I'm like, you know what, take that cup. So basically use that cup. So you come to me and you're like, you know, I want to drink water. I'm like, okay, use that cup over there, right? In Twi, I would say fa kuruwa, which is take that cup in English. But in Twi, what we are saying is use that cup, right? Or if I say fa kuruwa nsuo, which is take that cup and drink water with it. That's in English, but in Twi, I'm actually saying use that cup to drink water with, right? Another example would be your car broke down and you want to use mine, and you come to and you ask me, can I use your car? You come and say, "Met my car," basically saying, can I take your car? But we understand that you're asking, can I use your car? Then I'll be like, "Ane fa mekano," which is yes, take my car, literally in English, but in Twi to be yes, use my car. I think that's all. And sorry that I couldn't have a video on Wednesday. I was just preoccupied with work. But if I can make it on Wednesdays, what I'll do is definitely I'll have a video out on Sundays, right? Just to either say new stuff or translate the whatever was posted in my comment section, right? So for those that asked me this already responded, and for the new guys, these are all new things to you, so that's also great. So guys, thanks again for all the support. The numbers are growing great. Please spread the word so we get more subscribers. So please, if you like the content, please click on the like button, click on the bell button for future notifications, click on the subscribe button. Well, subscribe to the content if you love it. With the virus, it's not about you, it's about the next person. Stay at home. I think the levels have reduced a bit, but please be cautious. Don't just go outside and think everything is fine. And lastly, remember to get the TWI Junior Pro app. With that and this, you learn the language quicker. So from me, Kwesi, hope to see you next week. Bye.